Today I'm pulling out and reorganizing some of my favorite fall and Halloween papers, perfect for sparking ideas for seasonal crafting. And I'll also do a quick flip through of some of my favorite Halloween/autumn glue books. And stick around until the end because I've got a fun Halloween project to share with you. This one here, this is an old Reader's Digest. I've collected them from estate sales and garage sales. Yeah, this old Reader's Digest has turned to a Halloween fall random glue book, if I had to fully describe it. There's plenty more room in it for me to randomly go in and just give it Halloween, autumn, whatever those vibes are. I'm here for it. I love the Alice in Wonderland. That was my favorite part for this one. On this next book I'm going to show you, I did this one here. I did the covers and the inside cover, but I've put nothing on the pages, so I may work on that one this year. And then there's this one, inspired by Nicole at Relax Cut Glue here on YouTube. This one's about complete. If I want to, I can go into the signature and add more things, more characters and whatnot. This is one I can set out now and let people look through it. Yeah, I like that. It was a lot of fussy cutting, but it was fun. I don't mind fussy cutting. Some people hate it, some people love it, some people do kiss cuts. Like, you guys can just let me know what your favorite method is. Yeah, we're getting some Christmas things snuck in there. We're getting the Halloween separated, but right now I'm gonna splay it all out and see what I've got. So, yeah. It's also giving me a lot of Halloween inspiration. I'm really excited for this season. I really love Christmas too, but we're not there yet. It's one thing at a time. I have to give Halloween its due time, you know. People want to try to skip right through that because they love one over the other, and I'm like, I love them both. I love Halloween, and I love Christmas and the lights and everything that goes with that. But yeah. If you made it this far, I want to say thank you for watching, and if you like the vibe, leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Oh yeah, I am finally getting eyes on everything, getting everything pulled out, and I'll be putting that back together. Alright, here we go. We're getting everything put back into a new, more organized space. More efficient for me later on. This is really exciting and satisfying for me. It's all that, I just blame all that Virgo energy if I'm being honest. It's relaxing to kind of go through, see what all you have, get it all repurposed or respaced. I think it's good for the mental energy as well. Oh yes, this is much better. I got all the fussy cuts in that red container. All the washi tape is, oh yeah, that's much better than it was. Got all the stickers, some more fall fussy cuts in there. Yes. Okay, friends, that's my little fall and Halloween paper refresh. Now everything's organized and ready for creating. Speaking of creating, I told y'all I'd have something coming up, and I know I showed y'all those other glue books, so I'm going to be excited to do a brand new Halloween glue book out of this soda box, so keep an eye out for that video coming soon. Again, I want to say thank you for watching, and be kind to yourselves out there.